There he is. Oh, yes, he chased it. That was fun. He's another nice fish. Really nice fish. Fighting a little better than, yeah, it's because it's a chain. It's a chain. It's a chain pickerel. Yeah, and he's a strong one. Yeah, look at that. They have the head kicks. Look at that. That's a beautiful fish. Vicious. He got him right through the lip. I gotta let him wear out. They have the best head shakes and sharp teeth. I really don't want to mess with him. It's almost like just cut the line and let him go, but I'm trying to wear him out. He's just about worn out. Really, the teeth are scary. Wow. See if we can get him worn out. He won't stop trying. Oh, he's going to cut the line. He is going to cut the line. Oh, man, he's going to splash me. He's a strong one. That's a good 20 inches with... Nope. Gotcha. See if we can get lucky here and just get this out without... Got it. Let's take a look at him. Man, he's a beauty. Look at that guy. That is a beast of a fish. Man, he hunted it down and just nailed it.